And especially here we're close to the bushes, so they're easy for them to move here. And this room is not really properly what do you call this one, covered. There are so many open on the rooftop there, so they can find a home here and build a nest. Then not just they'll just build a nest, but they will destroy all the clothes here, and then that's very sad. And it's okay if this is mine, but not. This is for my two sisters. Stuff here, sitting here. So a while ago, I'll sweep the floor, but I'm not done yet. So I need to sweep the floor first before folding the clothes, because it's a little bit dust, and the fan here is running. And I think, I don't know, that kind of clothes they're hanging, that must be not dirty, and maybe this one is a dirty clothes. Yeah, need to sweep the corner too. So many I don't know what is that. That must be dirt from the black ants. We have so many black ants here, guys, because once it rain here, the moist will stay, and black ants like it, especially that corner. They love it. And when I move the show rack here, this one, underneath it, because he was sitting here, that side, and at the bottom parts is full of black ants. So that's really a common problem here, black ants, or the other one, what do you call this one, the fire ants, red color. But the fire ants won't stay inside. But the black ants will stay inside. So I need to clean here. I wish I have somebody to help me here, but I'll just take time here. Anyway, if I won't clean this one, everything will destroy. See? So so many clothes, so good. I still have here dust few only, but this one on the bed, so many. They have a lot of clothes, really. Oh God. Then we still have their hanging. Oh my goodness. So bye for now, guys. Thanks for viewing. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Bye for now. Thank you. God bless us all. Hi guys. Finished sweeping the floor. And I rearranged here. You should see. Oh, sorry. There. And here some show rack. And down. I am not boring here because I have company. They're under the bed. Shh. Come on. That's my sweet company. Shh. Big. Nara big, oh, dili big. See? Big. She will be the one to help me here folding the clothes. Am I right, Langga? Lak. Itol. Dara lang ah. You wanna help me folding the clothes? Oh God. You guys. Look at, it's like a bargain. I'm going to start now. Let's get inside, guys, where I fix all the mess inside the messy room. It is so clean now. Wow, whole day cleaning here, guys. Imagine that. Set the component here on top. That's DVD player there. And this is a Philip old radio. I set it there. So everything's clean now. And there is clean too. Looks like dirty kitchen at the end. And this is the room. It's like a house, but the roof is shorter. So the clothes, guys, are folded. Now I need to look where I'm going to dump this one. The blanket. Yeah, so clean now, really. So clothes are folded properly, not just to put on the bags, and it looks like they're fighting each other. So everything's clean, very clean now. And if there's somebody will come here, somebody can sleep here. And this is not a big, this is not a small room, not a big room, but it's okay size. But the problem is the roof is super duper. That's only 3 feet. The wall there, that's 3 feet. Right. Then at the end here is that, I guess that's gonna be 8. Oh no, I am tired. I wanna take a nap, but I don't want because it is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Bye for now, guys. So now finish my job here. So I don't need to think anymore about here because everything is clean and set, and is it is in the proper position now. So bye guys, thanks for watching, and I have somebody here. Somebody's knocking the door, calling me. Who's that? Oh, little. Ouch. The dog, really. I have Mickey here. Mickey, out lang ga. Okay, go out. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. This is a very nice clean room. Once you painted the wall, it is nice. And thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. Finally, finish cleaning the messy room. That's the bed and form, and everything is, you can't believe what I did. Everything. So plenty here before. If you think that, oh, where Beth can put that, but I did it. I set aside everything. I put in the closet here, there, and one bag. Super duper arranged now. You can see that. See? And here, there's the blanket and towel. And some of the clothes there. And finally, I'm done cleaning here. So I am happy. Very, very happy. And I just found a very, very important. I am just curious why it is here. I found all the Philip papers.
Oh boy.